night you cry yourself to sleep, never feeling whole, trying to fill the void. You've lost all self-control. Harmful thoughts and memories rush in, but never fear. You'll learn to smile and wipe away your tears. You don't know it yet. You're shrouded by the darkness and regret. Suddenly a light will shine on through. Hope and joy is waiting there for you. Oh baby, won't you hold on longer, trapped within those bars. There will be a knight in armor, they'll embrace your scars. Baby, please a little longer, bird inside a cage. I know you will come out stronger, fully disengage. Checking in every now and then to see if you've opened your door. It's okay to be scared, me too, not anymore. But what are we to do when you're locked away, forever caged? Baby, you're the bird, but someday you'll be saved. You don't know it yet. Under all the discord and upset, there's a light that shines inside of you. One thing more is all you have to do. So baby, won't you hold on longer, trapped within those bars. There will be a knight in armor, they'll embrace your scars. Baby, please a little longer, bird inside a cage. I know you will come out stronger, fully disengage. Caged in, mind at sea, swirling in the waves of repressed memory. Spread your wings, now's the time, no looking back. The pain, it clings, but you have to get back on track. Looking forward, see the light. Looking forward, win the fight. Oh baby, won't you hold on longer, trapped within those bars. You are your own knight in armor, learn to love your scars. Baby, please a little longer, the whole world is your stage. We both know that you are strong.